Hi, see some familiar faces. How's everybody doing? I just got off the airplane. My flight got delayed twice, canceled twice. I spent 9 hours at the airport just so I can, meet you guys and talk about heat core. So here we go. Hi, my name is JK. Some friends already know me. I'm from heat core. Today we're going to talk about integrated energy and mining system. So what is integrated energy and mining system? So, in our business, in mining, everybody hates heat, right? It slows down your miner, it brings the life down, but not necessarily. We found a way to actually harvest this heat to actually turn the heat into profit by utilizing a very innovative water cooling system to actually obtain very high hash rate profits, or also harvest turn cold water into hot water, and we provide heating solutions to where the applications are needed. That's why, and originally you were going to spend the electricity, coal, natural gas to heat up this project anyway, so we saved you that carbon emission. So in the end, we call this true net zero carbon emission. And our heating system has 95% efficiency. So it's really, our miners is actually more efficient than a regular boiler, right? So right now we're focusing to be an environmental friendly, social friendly, and electric grid friendly company, which means we can adjust our hash rate, we can adjust our frequencies, adjust our heat output to fit different projects. So let me give you a peek of our system. So basically, we have our systems combined with a smart control system where you can maintain your system remotely, which consists of all Watts miners, top of the line M53 miners, and we use our integrated mining boilers where we produce in-house, that we send the cold water in and bring the hot water out. And these hot water can reach 65 degrees Fahrenheit, 65 Celsius, that effectively heat up the entire building, the fishing farms, and the greenhouses. So think of this as like a boiler system. Not only it can provide hash rate with over 95% efficiency, but it also a water-cooled miner that can provide heat. So we're not immersion. We're the next best thing. We're the next water cooling. So about us, we provided this. Our company really focused on empowering traditional industry and building zero carbon emission mining. And we want to focus on this. So HeatCore, we're the MicroBD strategic partner, and we cooperate on the whole coding system, the whole cooling system, the design and development. We do everything. We do our production in-house, and our newest model uses Watts miners top-notch M53 series, and we're the only water cooling miner distributor for Watts miner, or MicroBD, if you will. So here are some of our cases. We've been doing this for a while. We've been heating up. We've been trying to turn some of our projects, including turning coals to electric heating. So traditionally, it was using coal, generating tons of carbons. Now we're using electric. Now we're using our miners. Saying we're mining and we're providing the heat. So that's double dip. And the heat we actually provided actually is a very substantial amount of profit, which, if you will, think actually turns the electricity price way down than it needs to be. It's crazy right now, right? So we also do the fish farming case. In this case, we're triple dipping. We're not only getting the hash from profit from the minings, we're also getting the heat with our collaborator. We're charging them a heat providing, and we're having a share on the profit for fishings. Selling those fishes sometimes is more profitable than Bitcoin, believe it or not. And we also do large scale, 20 megawatts, 50 plus megawatts projects that we reduce the emissions and provide sustainable hashing rates. So our products, this is our design. So basically, as I mentioned before, we send cold water going in and get hot water coming out. the water system directly sits on your hashboard, and we believe this is a way more elegant solution than immersion and or oil, because it's not only is it safer, it's less prone to problem, and everybody knows the heat dissipation performance. Water is way better than oil. So this is our system, right? So right now we have like two major ones. We retrofit some of the old miners, and we turn them into our stuff, and we also using the mining unit M53 with What's Miner, and as you can see, we can adapt to different hertz, different voltages, and that's what I'm gonna introduce next, because it's gonna be very innovative for the small grid and especially like flare gas, long grids projects. So here are some of our product lines. The RN series is basically, as you can see, is 180 kilowatts. So basically itself is a miner or is a mining farm. So you can just put there. It sits there. It's very quiet. When you guys get a chance, come to visit us. We'll show you videos. Then it's basically a data center sitting at your basement, and it doesn't generate any noise at all. You can put it in your basement of your house, and it's not going to affect you at all. So this is what we do. We also provide an Edge series, just home series, where you can just put it in. We can do diversified mining with every household in the community that provides heating. You can heat up your pool, you can heat up your house, all this. So right now we also provide the container solution, with total power consumption with more than 1 megawatts per unit. And we designed this, and it has a very, like I introduced before, only 45 dB external at 1 meter distance. So this is quieter than some of our fridge. So come and check this out. This is awesome. Right. So we also, like I mentioned before, the reason we design our thing to be adjusted to different voltages range is that we want to be able to fit the flare gas system. So that's our F series that we designed specifically for this, because we all know the flare gas has very unstable voltage outputs. So that's what we designed this system is for. And it's very easy for installation. It's basically plug and use, and we provide remote maintenance and remote control for all of these systems. We have our own patented smart control system, where you only need one person to manage 100 megawatts of mine. Right, so our interest, we're going to be focusing on building, heating, agricultures. We've been doing some of the very interesting projects in this. Hemp, for example, hemp heating, greenhouses, like I said, salmon fishing. The salmons reproduce like 13 times better when it's in a heated environment. So and that's what we're working on too. So get some of those agriculture profits into our mining profits. And we also, our latest very new focus is on the biogas utilization and renewable energy mining. Smart grid compensations, all these clean energies. These long grids of the solar power, these flare gases. They don't have very suitable voltages, and our products can fit right into those. So if you want to, achieve green mining and come and hash it out with us, we're at booth 268. If you're interested, come and talk. We'll show you some interesting cases we've been working on, and we believe this is the future of the green mining. Thank you, guys. Thank you.